So here's my Craftsman 12-inch 2-speed wood cutting bandsaw. I'm in the process right now of converting it to a metal and wood cutting bandsaw. So the setup I did for this was I took the original motor off it, which is right there. I took that off and I replaced it with a 5-to-1 speed reducer, and it's just a 1/3 horsepower 1725 RPM motor. But up here I added the 12-inch half-inch V-belt pulley, which is where this pulley used to be. This is a 4-inch and a 3.5-inch J-belt, and this is the one that was mounted to the motor. It is a 1-inch by 1 3/4. With these two pulley setups, it would give me a 3,000 and 1,500 blade feet per minute, which is too fast. I had to slow it way down. So this is what I did. But anyhow, I took a 12-inch pulley here, mounted it down low, and then that's going to be for my wood cutting, so I'll just transfer it over. And then this is a 2 1/4-inch V-belt pulley. That's the smallest I could find for a 1-inch shaft on this gearbox. And this is going to be a gravity tensioning system. So, I mean, this is just rigged right now so I can show you guys for the video. But it's going to be on like a, like a slide hinge. So when I want to go over to wood cutting, I just slide it over and drop it down. I want to try and set it up so I got the same belt length for both of them. It'll be a bigger, obviously a much bigger belt for the 12-inch pulley. But I don't know if I can add like a tensioner, mount it or something that I loop around. But the reason I got to do it like a gravity feed is because this style saw, it's not a table bevel, it's the actual head that bevels. So you can see, when I do this, and I know a lot of guys don't like this style saw, they like table style. I don't know, I like this a lot more. But when I move it up and down, you can see, and this is just with boards and weights and stuff on it, but you can see this going up and down because the pulley moves with it. So let me turn this on, give you guys a little demo on this and show you what I got. So see, I've got a nice slow speed here. See it on the blade. So if I go down to the gearbox, let me grab my little meter here. Go down to the gearbox, you can see there's my 12-inch pulley and the pulley up top. And there's my little 2-inch on there. So if I switch it over, one will be for wood, one will be for metal. That's a 2-sided shaft. I just got this little thing here, I'll show you. About 350 RPM out of the gearbox, which is what it's supposed to be. So then if I go over to the blade, switch this out. Give me 1 second. I switch this out. This will do feet per minute also. So I switch it out, I got about 180 feet per minute, which is better than I was shooting for. So I'm quite happy with the setup. So anyhow, I'll do a little demo for you guys, a little cut. I got a piece of steel here I already cut through. Put that table on. It's just a piece of 5/8 steel, mild steel, not hardened or anything. I'm not going to cut all the way through it because you guys don't need to see all that. I'm just doing it for demonstration. So anyhow, I'll drop this down. Sorry, drop the camera. So it's a 1/2 inch by 14 TPI blade. angle cut for you guys too. So, I mean, that's my setup. Let me know what you guys think. Oh. Blade's still nice and cool, not warm at all. It's running at a really nice rate. So, like I said, let me know what you guys think. See if think I need to change anything, do anything different. Thanks for watching.